To be absolutely certain that I've got the latest information about the event that I'm coaching, I always go to the Macomb Science Olympiad website. On the left side of the elementary homepage, I'll click the Events button. Then I'll select my event. Every event page is different. You can expect to see links to different information event supervisors thought would be useful. Events that will use Scantron sheets for scoring will have a link where you can see example score sheets and some tips about things to look out for. If I click on the giant red button that says Download Event Rules, I see the event rules. This opens up a PDF file that I can either save to my computer or send to a printer. To make sure I've got the absolute latest document, I always make sure to click the refresh button on my browser before I download. I coached this same event last year and the rules look very similar, but I know that there are subtle changes from year to year. So I always double check the footer in the lower right hand corner to make sure that it has the right year. Back on the event page, I make sure to scroll all the way to the bottom of the page to see what other information is available. Some event pages have short videos made by the event supervisors. If I have a question about the event that doesn't seem very clear in the rules, there's a good chance that other people have had that same question. They may have already asked for a clarification using the FAQs. When I scroll to the very bottom of the event page, I can see that no one has asked a question about this event yet. So I go back to the top of the page, click the link directly under the event name to submit my own question. This opens up a short form where I can enter my question and it gets sent directly to the event supervisor. Within a week or so, I would expect to see an answer show up on the FAQ page. When a question is answered, it's posted on the website so that everyone can benefit from it. You can always jump straight to the FAQ page using the menu button on the left. From there you have an overview of the clarifications that have been made for all of the events. And there are buttons at the top of the page where you can submit questions from here. If you're submitting a question from this page, use the Questions About Events button on the right so that your question will be directed to the event supervisor. Just because your district tournament may have passed, don't stop watching the FAQ page. The district tournaments is when the need for some clarifications come up. Since it could take a week or maybe even a little more to get a question answered, the FAQ process shuts down 2 weeks before the county tournament. After that, no more rule clarifications because there's not enough time to post and share it with all the teams.